So, Your Honor, it is my prayer that the accused persons be released on personal or free bond, Your Honor, because majority of them are hardworking Kenyans who wake up very early in the morning with an intention to tie the loose ends, with an intention to pay rent, but they don't get, with an intention to pay school fees for their children, with an intention to buy food, which they don't get, Your Honor. So these are frustrated Kenyans because they believed that the leadership that they elected would solve their challenges. But the leadership is, in turn, leading them to the police cells and or, if possible, with an intention of going to the prison. So therefore, Your Honor, as I summarize, it is my prayer that you release the accused persons on personal bond terms so that they can join their families. Thank you, Your Honor.